Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Shenzhen EAST LINE Communication Technology Limited Company. We are the factory of coded phones and cordless phones. Today we want to introduce you a caller ID coded phone. I think most people have know how to use this phone. First, this is the calling cord. Insert to the handset. This is one handset. This MIC receiver. This is another side. Same plug to this side port. And this one you can find there are two RJ11 port. This tail line. Insert here. Okay. We have one advantage. There's no need to use the batteries. So here you can find it's no need battery casing. The power you can get from the tail line. It's very convenient and economic. Here, this is the seat, light jacket. This one, here, seat. I choose two. First is the ringer sound. First, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have 16 different ringtone for your selection. Okay, back. This is the Ring VIP. We check. VIP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has 10. No. It also has 16 different ringtones here. You can find this is a memory M1, 2, 3. Here is a value add, value down, value, ringer, string. Here, 3, 2, 1, off. Off is mute. This is the hold function. Press here. Let's press this hands-free speakerphone. Hold. The other side, I can only hear this sound. They can relax, and you can have break or talk with your team. And press again. It's come to back normal conversation. This is the redial. Let me make a call. Here. Take up the handset here. With the hook switch. It's a mobile phone. You can find its call. The call is okay. Make a call. Hello? 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 Hi? And hold. Hello? Press again. Okay. Turn off. It has 12 numeric keys. It's the out check-in. It's memory. Let's do it. Memory here. Load it. Wait. We didn't have seat. Let's wait. Today we introduce you this one. Later we will show you more detailed function. Thank you for watching our video. See you next time. Goodbye.